Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 4, consists of Naufal Nursyabana, Rakhil Nurfilhaq, Vinalia Nisya, Ihsan Fajar, and Nisya Atikasari. Will explain our worksheet, and the title is the effect of Tempeh cover on Tempeh quality. The quality is the texture, smell, and the taste. Next is in independent variable. We use cover of Tempeh, five covers. First is banana leaves, papaya leaves, thick leaves, oil pepper, and transparent plastic. And for the dependent variable, it is the quality of tempeh, the texture, smell, and the taste. For the control variable, that are amount of soybeans and bran, amount of yeast and bran, the physical condition, the procedure, and the equipment and materials. For the hypothesis, we predict that tempeh that using leaves cover will have a good quality than the non-leaves covers. For the material and equipment is well delivered by my friend.
For the materials, we need 250 grams, 250 grams soybeans, and then 1.5 grams of yeast, water, and for the cover, we need banana leaves, papaya leaves, thick leaves, oil papers, and transparent plastic. We use Ziploc plastic. And for the equipment, we need containers, spoon, toothpicks, and pot. For the steps, first we wash the soybeans, and then we wash these soybeans like washing the rice, and then until the soybean is clean and the soaking water is clear. And then we soak the soybean in 1.6 liter of water for 20 hours. And after 20 hours, we wash the soybean again until the bad smell is gone. And after that, we boil the soybean for 30 minutes and drain them until they're completely dry. We dried them for about 15 minutes. And after the soybeans are dry, we spread or sprinkle the yeast over the soybeans and mix it well with spoon. Then we put the soybeans that have been mixed with yeast into a container that has covered with leaves or oil paper. And for the transparent plastic, we directly put the soybeans into the plastic. And then we make some holes on the cover with a toothpick. Finally, we put the container that filled with soybeans in a dark place, such as in a cupboard or under a table for 2 days for fermentation process. Next, this is the result.
Okay, and then for the result, there is five cover that we use for the treatment. First is for banana leaves, and the result for banana leaves for the texture is solid but slightly wet, and the smell is good like tempeh in general, and the taste like tempeh in general. Maybe for this discussion for banana leaves, there is some miss in step. There is when dry the soybean, there is no complete mostly dry, so that's why the texture slightly wet. And then the next for the papaya leaves, the texture is slimy and crumbling, and the smell is putrid like rot, and the taste is horrible with the hint of the leaves. With the hint of the papaya leaves. And then the third is thick leaves. The texture is solid, and then the smell good like tempeh in general, and the taste like tempeh in general also.
Okay, so for the next gonna be explained by me, the rest of the result. Go up a bit. Can we go up a bit? Thank you. Okay, so for the second one is the papaya leaves, which the texture is slimy and crumbling. The smell is putrid, like a rot, and the taste is horrible with the hint of the papaya leaves. For the second one, the papaya leaves, discussion for it that when we try to use the papaya leaves, it is really we are not expect the papaya leaves to be really fragile, not like the thick leaf or the banana leaves, and it's hard to clean the papaya leaf truly. So so from our group discussion, that is what's become likely be the reason why the papaya leaves one become like that. Okay, so for the next one is the oil paper. For the oil paper, the texture is solid and firm. The smell is good, like tempeh in the market, and the taste is tasty with the hint of the oil paper and a little bit savory. And the last one is for the transparent plastic. For the plastic, the texture is solid and moist. The smell is good, like a tempeh in general, of course, and the taste is like a common tempeh. Okay, next will be explained by my friend. Go ahead.
Okay, for the conclusion is based on our result, we can conclude that tempeh with non-leaves cover have a good quality than tempeh with leaves cover. While in the taste, tempeh with leaves cover have more good taste. And that's all from us. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.